Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Custom Trail Boss, power windows, locks, and mirrors. The vehicle has trailer mode, push button 4x4, automatic headlights, electronic parking brake. On your steering wheel you have cruise control and the black bow tie, column shifter. We have a 6-inch touchscreen with audio controls, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our single zone climate control, integrated trailer braking system, auto stop start and USB ports. Truck has all black interior as well as our black cloth with the 40-20-40 split. So your center console here does double as the 6th seat in the crew cab Custom Silverado. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Custom Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Duratrack all-terrain tires. Vehicle is a custom, so it does have the flat black door handles there, color matched. Blacked out color black plastic mirrors. Z71 package. The Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front, so giving you that larger stance, making room for the Duratrack tires. You have the custom front grills, Z71, red tow hooks, halogen light bulbs, 6.2-liter on the front hood, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped, Trail Boss decal on the back of the box. At the rear, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, we have the cloth 60/40 split, both end seats car seat ready. We do have the solid rear window with defrost, solid roof over top with LED lighting as well, and your heat and AC vents for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Silverado Custom Trail Boss. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.